In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use Cloudflare for web hosting and guide you step by step through deploying your website. You'll learn how to create a Cloudflare account, upload your project files, and deploy a live web app on Cloudflare's global network. Cloudflare is a cloud-based platform that enables easy deployment, ensures high availability, offers a free hosting tier, supports serverless functions, and helps reduce server load for faster and more efficient websites. Cloudflare demo flow. First, create a Cloudflare account. Next, connect your GitHub repository. Then, upload your HTML file or project files to the repository. Finally, deploy your web app using Cloudflare Pages for fast and reliable hosting. To get started, the first option is to import an existing Git repository. This is the easiest method if you already have your project stored on GitHub. Begin by logging into your Cloudflare account and selecting Create a Project. Then choose Import an existing Git repository. Next, connect your GitHub account to Cloudflare if you haven't already. You'll be prompted to authorize access, after which you can browse and select your demo repository from the list. This allows Cloudflare to automatically pull your project files directly from GitHub. After selecting the repository, configure your project settings. Enter a project name. This will be part of your live URL. Choose the branch you want to deploy, typically main, and review the build settings. For simple HTML projects, you can leave the build settings as default since no build step is required. Once everything is set, click Deploy to start the process. Cloudflare will begin by cloning your Git repository, meaning it copies your project files into its system. Then, it moves to the build phase, if applicable, where it prepares your application for deployment. Finally, your site is deployed across Cloudflare's global network, ensuring fast performance and high availability worldwide. After the deployment is complete and marked as production, Cloudflare will generate a live URL for your project. Click on this link to open your deployed web application and view your demo page in the browser. You can now share this link with others or continue updating your project. Any new changes pushed to GitHub will automatically trigger a new deployment. The next option is to deploy your project by dragging and dropping your files. This method is ideal if you don't use GitHub or just want a quick and simple way to publish a static website. To get started, select the Upload Assets or Direct Upload option in Cloudflare Pages. Then, simply drag and drop your project folder, or individual files like your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, into the upload area. Once your files are uploaded, Cloudflare will automatically process them and begin deployment. Since this method doesn't require a build step, it skips directly to deploying your site on Cloudflare's global network. This ensures fast loading speeds and reliable access from anywhere in the world. After the upload and deployment are complete, Cloudflare will generate a live URL for your site. Click the link to open your web page and verify that everything is working correctly. This method is perfect for simple projects or quick demos, but keep in mind that updates are manual. You'll need to re-upload your files each time you make changes. You have successfully learned how to use Cloudflare for web hosting. In this tutorial, we covered multiple ways to deploy your website, from importing an existing GitHub repository to directly uploading your files using drag and drop. You now understand how to create a Cloudflare account, connect your GitHub repository, configure your project settings, and deploy your web app to Cloudflare's global network. You also learned about the benefits of using Cloudflare, such as easy deployment, high availability, free tier hosting, serverless functions, and reduced server load. By deploying your site on Cloudflare, your web applications are not only faster but also more secure and reliable.